Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here. It is a Friday morning or like midday, bit lazy today, but we are on it. We're here at the garage and we're about to jump on the coupe. I've got these parts here, the correct size Jubilee clips that are going to go on the CV boot on either side, the small side and the big side. So hopefully once I do that, I'm going to jack it up, get the wheel off, and then hopefully I'll be able to actually get the CV boot on. Then all we need to do is literally weld on that chassis leg bit, then another little section of welding, and then boom, we're basically ready to do our MOT. Yeah, we'll be done. Literally all we have to do is change the tires. I think I'm actually going to put a different wheel set on there, but that is what we're doing in this episode. So let's just fucking get it done, mate. Do you know what I mean? And we've got a few bits to do, but let's crack on and do it. Let's do it. Let's get into it. The stallion, the Italian stallion, boys. She's always looking fresh. The Pearl brother. Hella smooth. There's the other one I saw. Never heard of it that late before. I just thought, as I'm looking at this, I might as well. Oh, it's actually got a little fucking cut on that bit there. I need to cut off the old. Let's just see if we've got over that. Let's go. This is what I do, boys. I build fucking whips and shit now. This is legit what I do. Mate, I'm pretty sure that's like fully on there, bruv. That just cost me 280. This is our cousin Bean, who we're currently looking after. Thought I'd add this into the vlog, you know, because this is my life in my vlogs, you know. I'm just showing you what I go on and that.
Later tonight, our main event is Tombstone versus Fiat. Chris, this is going to be like Ali versus Frazier. When these two robots collide, you better sing show. Coming up next, let's get ready to have a rumble.
Is the pancakes made now, are they, mate? Oh no, you don't even want to sit there anymore. 3 Jubilees. One will definitely fit. I reckon that thick one. This one. That's the one. Mate, it's on, boys. All I've literally got to do is fucking get the thingy on that, and then she's done. What's the problem?
I'm scared to even walk to my car alone at night. That is why everyone gets a rape whistle. That's the
Here comes the pool.
So everyone gets a rape cushion.
Yeah, I see you, bro, reaching for. Alright, can I have a couple stroke, please?
I'll be paired with the new one, but Sarah. That girl's got like a huge restraining order against.
I'll take any guy who's 6'2" with blue eyes. Wait, we're talking about picking boyfriends, right?
Oh, the poor again. Look, he's coming right in for them strokes. I just said the mad strokes and that hurt as well. Goddamn. I cleaned myself up, feel dirty after that. Strokes are real clean, man. She's gonna put the paw on me. It's got a little itch, it's the first time I seen him do that. Oh, a couple licks on that. This is man. This is mental. Cat TV. Oh. Is he gonna pull me?
My parking hot buddy is Jonah. How's he gonna protect me?
Let's see if he does the pull.
I'm literally right here, Myrtle.
Listen, her mind's mostly gone, but she raises a good
Oh,
Okay, again, I didn't
he wanted a couple strokes. Oh, mate. Yeah. Typical Beamer parking lot, just in the middle of the fucking car park, bro. This one ain't the right one. We're gonna have to flip this for our next one. Back in the place. Max is just watching through that. Look, there he is! There he is! Look at the window! Yes, he's back, he's back. Oh, he's gone again, he's gone again. No, he's there, he's there. We have it. Big up Max for the discounts. This was 30p more than the other one, and these ones are like £23, so I paid like £5.30 or like £6.30. Big up Max with the staff dissy. Ah, that's my boy right there with the staff dissy, you get me? Look, look. Hold on off. On. So we've cut it, cut the bottom bit, cut the top bit, cut it down more than last time, so it's a lot smaller, but hopefully that will actually be like the correct diameter and that on both sides now. So let's see. Got the adhesive on there, just drying. I put a fuckload on there to make sure it dries. It actually looks worse on camera than it actually is, but it actually doesn't look that bad. It kind of just looks normal like that. It looks just a bit glossy, but I put a fuckload on. You can't even see the cracks where it did actually seal, so I thought I'm just gonna go ham. They actually changed the like glue adhesive to a black one, which I think looks better as well. But yeah, now that's on, I'm just gonna let it fully dry, so then I know it won't like break or anything when I'm moving it about or like come loose, and then I'm just gonna try and get these jubilees on. But yeah, the size I cut it down to looks like it's pretty close to that. Slips over that first lip, so hopefully we'll be able to get a jubilee around it as well. This cat wants to get a bit of action, bit of the Audi action. You like that? It's an A3 TFSI, bro, turbo. It's got boost, about 200 brake. You wanna whip it? Come. Literally cannot make this shit up, bruv. My old Thankyou toolbox came in handy. Look how old it is and rusty. This is from college, when I was actually in college. That's one of my dad's ones, isn't it? I actually found one of these, so I'll be able to use the electric thingy, bruv. And I might as well take these screws out once just in case. Update on Bean. Obviously we've got the Redline quick shift on the lappy and that. Update on Bean. We've traded them in for a Saudi bag. a bag straight from Saudi Arabia. And we've got some Saudi Arabia cookies, but these actually just hit different. Oh shit. Oh, it's funny, that's all mad. So I got the Saudi cookies, mad. Oh my days, they hit mad. They're just looking mad and that. I'm gonna have to try save some for the fam and that. And then boom, we got some musk malaki, musk malaki and that. Jeez, bro, that's hitting different, trust me. That's smelling just piffy, bro. Like, just smelling that money and that, you get me? Get some of that on, bro. Be making millions. Let's go. To get on. Ouch. All dry. That now shouldn't. Oh my gosh. Hopefully that shouldn't go anywhere. It's fully dry. So let's see. Look how close the Brembas are. That will look so sick. And it actually slots onto the fucking thingy, not like the other shit wheels. Oh no, it hasn't. We are here to get the parts for the coupe. Let's fucking get it. We are here to get the CV boot. We have the thing. Madness. Big up GSF car parts, bro. That is what we fucking want. That is the fucking one, boys. Look at that. Yeah, that's definitely it, bro. Yes, boys.